The shipment includes an instruction manual, a certificate of conformity, and a test report. There are accessories. Rubber ring for installation. Remote control. Charger. Next, we will demonstrate the wireless detector alarm and linkage. Controller power on preheating. Welcome to USCGIS Alarm Controller, starting with V1.61. Alert. Menu. Mute. Up and down buttons. Complete product details. This low-power wireless detector is operated and set up using a magnetic rod. We tested the detector using standard methane gas at 59.8% LEL. The standard gas is 59.8% LEL, and the detector actually shows 60% LEL. Gas. Channel. The controller also shows 60% LEL. The detection accuracy is very good. The entire system does not require wiring between the detectors. And the controllers, the detectors also do not need a power supply. The whole installation process can be completed simply by plugging the controller into an outlet. The entire system is ideal for tunnels, gas stations, storage tank areas, and other scenarios where wiring is convenient or there is no power source on site. It features high precision detection, low power consumption, and a portable, quick installation method.